How millionaires secretly use AI to get even richer. Most people believe millionaires live in a completely different world. Private jets, luxury homes, and exclusive circles that normal people will never enter. But the real difference is not lifestyle. It is information, timing, and tools. While the public argues about inflation, job security, and whether AI is dangerous, wealthy individuals are already using artificial intelligence quietly, strategically, and relentlessly to grow their wealth faster than ever before. This is not about robots replacing humans overnight. This is about invisible advantages. AI works in the background, analyzing data, predicting outcomes, removing emotion, and scaling decisions that humans simply cannot handle alone. The rich are not shouting about it. They are not posting tutorials. They are just compounding results while everyone else is distracted. 1. Powered intelligence before the public knows anything. Millionaires do not wait for breaking news. By the time something appears on television or social media, the opportunity is already half gone. AI allows wealthy investors to see signals long before headlines exist. Advanced AI systems scan millions of data points every second. Corporate filings, shipping movements, hiring trends, supply chain changes, patent activity, satellite images, and even changes in consumer behavior. Individually, these signals mean nothing. Together, they reveal what is about to happen. For example, when a company quietly increases logistics capacity, expands warehouse space, or ramps up raw material purchases, AI detects it instantly. While the public still believes nothing has changed, millionaires are already positioning their capital. 2. Emotionless investing. That never panics. Human beings are emotional by design. Fear and greed are hardwired. In financial markets, these emotions destroy wealth. Millionaires understand this, which is why they increasingly let AI handle execution. AI-driven investment systems follow strict rules. They do not panic during crashes. They do not chase hype during bubbles. They respond only to probability, data, and long-term optimization models. When markets fall, humans freeze or sell at the worst possible moment. AI sees drawdowns as statistical events. When markets rise, humans become greedy and overexposed. AI takes profits according to predefined logic. Over time, this emotional neutrality compounds into massive gains. While average investors repeat the same mistakes every cycle, AI quietly executes consistent strategies year after year. 3. Real-time portfolio optimization instead of static plans. AI monitors volatility, correlations between assets, macroeconomic conditions, interest rates, liquidity levels, and geopolitical risks in real time. When risk increases in one area, exposure is reduced instantly. When opportunity appears elsewhere, capital shifts automatically. This creates a living portfolio that adapts to reality instead of reacting too late. During market stress, losses are limited. During expansion, growth accelerates. This dynamic approach is one of the biggest differences between how the wealthy manage money and how everyone else does. AI makes constant optimization possible without human fatigue or bias. 4. Predicting economic cycles long before recessions hit. Recessions do not arrive suddenly. They are built slowly through debt accumulation, tightening liquidity, weakening demand, and policy pressure. AI is extremely good at recognizing these patterns early. Millionaires use AI models trained on decades of economic history. These models track credit markets, consumer spending, employment shifts, interest rate stress, and capital flows across countries. When warning signals rise, wealthy investors move defensively months or even years ahead of the crowd. They reduce risk, increase cash, and prepare to buy assets cheaply later. When recovery begins, they re-enter aggressively. This cycle, protect first, then attack, is how wealth survives, crashes, and multiplies afterward. 5. AI-driven business automation and extreme scaling. Millionaires do not trade time for money. They build systems. AI is the most powerful system builder ever created. AI automates customer support, marketing funnels, ad optimization, pricing strategies, demand forecasting, inventory management, hiring decisions, and even product development. Businesses grow without hiring massive teams. This allows wealthy entrepreneurs to operate multiple companies at once. 6. Finding undervalued assets before anyone cares. The biggest money is not made by following trends. It is made by entering before trends exist. AI excels at identifying undervalued assets long before they appear on headlines, social media, or analyst reports. Machine learning models analyze fundamentals, adoption rates, sentiment shifts, cash flows, network effects, and long-term growth signals simultaneously. They identify mispricing in stocks, private companies, real estate, and digital assets by comparing current valuations to future probability-weighted outcomes. While the public waits for confirmation, narratives, and hype, millionaires accumulate quietly. They understand that once an opportunity becomes obvious, most of the upside has already been captured. By the time mainstream attention arrives, risk is higher, competition is intense, and margins shrink. AI also filters noise. 7. Advanced risk management that prevents ruin. Getting rich is hard. Staying rich is harder. AI plays a crucial role in protecting capital, which is why wealthy investors prioritize risk management over aggressive returns. AI stress tests portfolios against thousands of extreme scenarios: market crashes, interest rate shocks, currency collapses, geopolitical conflicts, regulatory changes, and liquidity freezes. 8. AI-optimized tax and legal structures. Taxes quietly destroy wealth over time. Millionaires understand that what matters is not how much you make, but how much you keep. AI helps reduce this erosion legally and strategically. AI analyzes tax codes, international structures, income timing, capital gain strategies, deductions, and jurisdictional advantages in real time. 9. Human judgment amplified by AI precision. Despite all this power, AI does not replace humans at the top. It amplifies them. Millionaires use AI to generate insights, probabilities, simulations, and scenario outcomes. Final decisions still involve human judgment, ethics, intuition, and long-term vision. This balance is critical. Pure instinct fails in complex systems. Pure automation lacks context, values, and strategic foresight. Together, they create dominance. Humans decide what matters. AI decides what is likely. That combination allows wealthy individuals to move calmly. 10. Why this window is still open for you. AI adoption is accelerating, but it is not universal. Most people still rely on outdated methods, emotional decisions, reactive thinking, and surface-level information. The tools millionaires use are becoming cheaper, easier, and more accessible every year. Early learners gain compounding advantage, not just financially, but intellectually. Late adopters face brutal competition and shrinking opportunity. Millionaires are not magically smarter than everyone else. They simply adopt powerful tools earlier and more aggressively. Artificial intelligence is the most important wealth-building technology of this generation. If you want to understand how money really moves in the modern world, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay ahead of the curve. The future of wealth is already unfolding. And now you know how the rich are quietly winning.